Okay, on with the video. Hey, good day everyone, it's Mike from Finding Fish. Welcome to Varadero and welcome to the Melia International. Today I'm going to be doing a walking tour of this resort situated right on some of the best asset of Varadero in Cuba. And the first thing I need to tell you is this is a massive resort situated on a fantastic beach. Now, if you are coming to this resort, the first thing that you're going to notice when you come up the driveway is how big this resort is and how spacious the lobby area is. Now, when you come to this resort, the first thing you're going to do, if you're just a regular guest staying here, you're going to proceed to the extreme left. And that's where you're going to do your check-in and your check-out. Now, like I said, this lobby area is massive. It's got a fantastic breeze blowing through it. It's narrow, but it's wide. But the breeze coming through it comes straight off the ocean and it goes straight out through the doors. Then you're gonna notice when you proceed to walk in here, if you go to the right, that's gonna be priority check-in. That's if you're gonna be a VIP guest here, you wanna level up your experience when you come here, well, you're definitely gonna be doing the VIP, the level experience. Now, if I keep going to the right, you're gonna notice the blue bar. Now the blue bar, it's an in and out bar. It's got its seating on the inside, and if you don't want to sit on the inside, well, obviously you're sitting on the outside. This place makes every drink that you can imagine. It's a 5-star experience here, so whatever you can think of, they probably have it, and they will look after your needs. Now let's just say you're done having a few drinks at the blue bar and you want to go find the pool. There's 2 ways to get to the pool. You can either take the stairs or you can take the elevator, because this place is wheelchair accessible. Now it is high, but they do have an elevator, and once you get to the lower section, it is flat. Now if I do proceed straight through these palm trees, you're gonna notice the 4 pools. And you're also gonna notice 2 pool bars. Now this is a very wide resort, so getting around it, yeah, this is a big resort. It's probably the biggest resort I've ever been to. Now, if you're hungry and you're down at the pool, well, you can come here to the snack bar. It's called Melia. It opens at 10 o'clock in the morning and it closes at 6. It's right smack dab at the pool. Now here you can come, you're gonna grab a pizza, they have ice cream, they have fruit, they have a hot dog, they have a hamburger, they have a chicken sandwich, a tuna sandwich, and probably a few things that I've forgotten. Also, you get a cerveza here, your coffee, your cappuccino. So at the back of Melia, you're also gonna notice that they have bathrooms, they have a men's, a ladies, and a wheelchair accessible. I've never seen so many loungers in my life at a resort, to be totally truthful with you. This place has a ton of them. Now it is a scorching hot day today. If you're coming down here, you better bring lots of sunscreen because it doesn't have that many palapas for the size of this resort. That's my personal opinion. Also, you're gonna notice they have a little kids pool here. Like the sprinkler system going on, and it's a shallow pool, it looks like. And of course, you can hear in the background, they have lots of activities. This place is Activities 101. I can hear the music going everywhere, all over the place, not only at the pools, but at the beach. Okay, let's just say you've had enough of the snack bar and you wanted to get something else for lunch. They do have a 24-hour restaurant on the other side of the resort, right close to the pool, close to like a bit of a garden area where they're doing a Cuba day today because it's a Saturday. So typically on Saturdays, it could be a Cuban day. So the Cuban day, it looks awesome. They've got some meat going over, some charcoal. It looks like they got some sausage, some pork tenderloin. They're making big sandwiches. It looked really good. Let's just say you've had enough food. You've had enough at the pool, and now you want to look for the best asset of this country. And of course, it's right behind me. It's the beach. Well, like a short, maybe 2-minute walk from the pool area, you're gonna hit the beach. Now this beach is massive. I think it might be one of the biggest beaches I've been to in this country. I'd be scared to guess how many loungers and how many umbrellas are here. We're talking hundreds. This place has 950 rooms, I believe. And right now there's probably about 200 or 300 people here for September. That's awesome. Now, this is a family resort. Just keep that in mind if you're coming here. There's places for the kids to play. There's the shallow pool. There's lots going on. And down here, if you want a paddle boat, you got them. If you want to get a kayak, they have it. If you want to go sailing, it's happening right now. And the watercolor here is fantastic. And it's shallow. I think my favorite beaches, to be totally honest with you, are in Santa Maria, Cayo Cruz, and Cayo Coco. But this down here in the town of Varadero is stunning. It's beautiful. Now, let's just say you're hanging out down here for the rest of the afternoon and you think you need to get a cerveza. Well, in the center, in the middle of the boardwalk, it's gonna split. You can go to the level service, which is for premium guests. They have everything there that you need. Or you can just go to the regular service and get yourself a cerveza or any hard drinks that you need and come back here and bring it to the beach. I don't see any toilets nearby. I think you have to kind of go back to the pool area. They have a public toilet area there, which is only a 1-minute walk. There's a fantastic breeze coming down the way right now. 2 in the afternoon on a Saturday. I think it's 32 degrees. I'm in September. The weather's stunning. Really not even a cloud in the sky. You actually wouldn't mind having a cloud in the sky today to break it up because it is hot out, but if it wasn't for that breeze, it'd be stifling. Okay, let's say you're done at the pool, you're done at the beach, you're done eating, you're gonna go get cleaned up, and then you're wondering what you can do tonight for dinner. I don't know, but let's go find that out. In the bottom of this superstructure, 2 buffets. They have a Japanese, they have an Italian, they have a Creole, they have a Spanish, and they have a Tex-Mex, all in the bottom of this massive resort. They also have one of the biggest humidors I've ever witnessed and ever seen. If you want to book an excursion, you're going down there too. Like if you want to go to the caves, if you want to go do stuff, they have specialists down there that will look after you. Then if you come back to the main floor, on the other side of this building, there's gonna be another bar, another outside bar. There's gonna be fast sitting areas that you can look into the gardens or you can look out front. The people that look after this facility, like the gardeners, you guys do a fantastic job. The grounds here are absolutely spectacular. Probably the nicest resort that I've ever seen in Cuba, hands down for sure. This place also has a post office, believe it or not. It does. So if you want to buy a card and send it home to grandma, guess what? This place has got you covered. Now, let's just say you've had enough of the beach, you checked out the resort, now you're scratching to go into town. Or you're scratching to go do something. Varadero is honestly a stone's throw down the street. You can take these cabs, or you can get a horse and carriage, and they'll take you down, or you can just get on the hop-on, hop-off bus for $5 and it'll take you there. Also, on the top of that hill, dining. This resort has a lot going for it because of the proximity to downtown Varadero, and you're a little bit closer to the airport. Keep that in mind. You're probably like one of the first or second drop-offs if you get a transfer. If you can afford it, I don't recommend, but this resort is probably up there, folks. high on the bucket list for many people. It's been on my bucket list for years, but then I see the price and I'm like, geez, it's a lot of money. But guess what? Look what you get for the amount of money you're paying. Hey, if you like my channel, like I always say, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.